Looking to save big on my funded futures trading plans in 2025? Here's how. For new users, the code tester grants a whopping 50% off on any plan. That means 50K starter plan drops from $97 to just $48.50. If you're eyeing the expert plans, use TUSEs to get 30% off on the $500,000, $100,000, or $150,000 options. Remember, this code can be used up to 3 times per person. Members can take advantage of JN40 to enjoy 40% of the first month of the 50K Starter Plus plan. And for those transitioning from Evaluation Live Trading to LAPR offers 40% discount, also limited to 3 users per individual. Don't forget to subscribe to my funded features newsletter to snag an instant 20% off store-wide. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.